Coming up.
Had to save this handbag unboxing for you guys. I haven't opened it. I know what's in it. Thank you to Melissa Adams Wade to introduce to you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have my first handbag unboxing for 2025. This is such a special unboxing. It came out of the blue and it broke my rules when it came to my January 2025 goals. That video, I will have a link for y'all below. But this bag, truly something special. No, this was not on my 2025 wish list either, but it was totally worth it. Now, before we get started, I'm Jamie, and on this channel, we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Let's get right into the unboxing. Here we have the box, and no, it is not from Target. It's actually from another fellow YouTuber. This bag was something that I gave up on. So y'all know, the last time I had a handbag like that, I totally love, obsessed with, gave up, was my Phoebe Philo tote somewhere up there. So that was an epic level unboxing. This one, same. I just can't get over it. I had to save this handbag unboxing for you guys. I haven't opened it. I know what's in it. We're just gonna do it together. So here we go. I will tell you, I gave up on this bag because it is a special bag. It's hard to find, especially in a certain colorway. But I think also this style is a total Jamie bag. Okay, we've got this beautiful white dust bag, and for those of you that know this brand will know what's in here. To introduce to you guys the Margaux bag. This is a size 10 in jam. Ah, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I love this color. I love the size. Look at this. It's got the feet, and it goes with my outfit. Oh man. The Margaux just has a beautiful leather, and a lot of times in the boutiques they don't have the Margaux. The last time they had the Margaux in the Saks boutique in downtown Chicago, and I think they no longer have it. So the only way I can really get the Margaux is online now. I've had the Margaux on my wish list. I actually gave up on it because it's hard to find. It's super expensive, especially when I was doing my whole Hermes journey. Honestly, I was just like, at that time, I'm just gonna continue to go work toward my Birkin bag. Actually, let's do a quick compare on the size, because to me, they're very similar in terms of like the size here, and my size 25. Look at that. Let me know if you guys would want to see a comparison video between the two bags, but I just love how this is kind of like more dressy to me, this bag, because you know, it's a beautiful Birkin, but this is definitely more casual, understated chic. And guys, this color, it's amazing. More of a like a muted like purple. And it definitely, I feel like you could wear a lot of different colors with this. And the best part is this bag, it came out in blue. This bag was on Melissa Adams Wade, her Instagram. She was selling it. This is from Melissa. Melissa, hi. Thank you for this beautiful, amazing bag. I love it. I can't believe it. I know you said that you weren't really using this bag, and this is a bag that I need more casual bags in my collection. So definitely this Margaux, I think, is perfect timing. When I talked about how it came out of the blue, I kid you not, I was on my way to get pizza when I saw Melissa's Instagram post on this. I actually took a screenshot, you know, when I saw it, and I pinged her because I was like, this is the one time where it's like, it's now or never. I have to say something, or this bag will never be in my grasp ever again. She replied back saying it was available. We worked out the financials, and then it was sold. Like I said, it was just a normal weekend day for me, getting pizza for like the football game. In this bag, let me tell you, I've been looking for the jam bag. When the jam bag came back, when it came out a couple months back, this colorway, it's seasonal. Like a lot of the Rose special colors, it's hard to find. I couldn't find this. It would come in and out. It came just like a lot of their inventory comes in and out of the row. But this one in particular, it was always sold out. And I did find it a couple times on the resale market, like Vestiaire Collective, for insane pricing. I'll see if I can locate some of the pictures online. But yeah, that was like ridiculous. I was like, for those, it might have been like $8,000 even. I saw at one listing. At that point, with the colorway, the amount of money, I was like, it's not going to be worth it. So it was one of those bags that I gave up on. I was like, it's a unicorn bag. I probably won't ever find it again. Same story as my Phoebe Philo pony hair tote that I was like, loved it, not going to find it. So we're just going to move on to other beautiful bags. But here we are, and I can't be more excited. I love it. Let's do a quick what's in my bag. We'll start with my iPad mini. The iPad's too tall and it's going to be too wide. However, I think you could position it, yes, at an angle like that, and it could divide. I'm not a fan of that, so I'm going to just take it out, but it can at least fit in your bag that way. Now, what about a water bottle? I think it's probably going to be similar. Yeah, it really doesn't even fit. You could put it in there at an angle again, but it takes up so much space in the bag. I'd probably get a smaller water bottle, to be honest. I'm going to take that out. So we'll go with some of my other essentials. Definitely the sunglasses. This should not be an issue. Just getting in my sunglasses. Put that at the bottom there. My card holder with all of my cards, no problem. Then we have my lip gloss as well as a lipstick. I like to put them in a pouch, so I have my Chanel mini O case. I'm just going to pop them in there here, and no problem fitting it there. And then a battery for my phone, and then some of my earbuds. And then last would be my phone, which I'm recording with. I would say that's pretty good for the essentials. Like I said, I probably wouldn't do the water bottle or the iPad because it would make it really tough to fit all of these items. But this really fits all the essentials. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is going to be like my everyday errands bag. I love how I've got the longer strap. I can crossbody, use the top handle. It's such a cute size. It looks like it's pretty easy opening, and she even put in like all the original paperwork, so this is beautiful. Sometimes when these handbags pop up that are like, you just got to jump on it. Yeah, it says the Margaux 10 in jam for $34.90. I think some of these bags you just have to do it, and that was what led me to break my January goals for when it came to the finance goal of that video. But what do you guys think? This is the very first handbag of 2025. Yeah, like I said, it wasn't on my wish list, but I think this handbag was totally worth it. And it's kind of like checks off the whole casual bag, burgundy, kind of like that. I think this kind of helps. This was like one of those bags I never thought I was going to have. So to me, this is amazing. Again, thank you to Melissa Adams Wade. And this is so special. Love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of my very first bag? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.